What's up, YouTube? I will be doing a review of the Leatherman Wave today. It is the post 2004 model. I will do a comparison video to the post and pre 2004 Leatherman Waves in a different video because my dad actually has the older model. I just couldn't find it, otherwise I'd just do one video. But I will be doing this again, as I said, post 2004. It's the current model of the Leatherman Wave. It retails anywhere between $85 to about $110, depending on where you buy it from. And it is available in a black oxide version or the stainless steel version. Mine is the stainless steel version. And it does come with this sheath, unlike some of the other Leathermans, like the Juice series, which has an aftermarket sheath. First off, the impressions of the sheath is it's held up rather well. It's worn pretty good. I would prefer it to have a completely covered sides, but these stretchy sides are for, there's like this hole, are for the accessories. You can buy a bit kit and bit extender, and I'll show you guys where that goes after. I don't personally own one. It's a future thing that I'd like to get. So, getting into the review, this is the Leatherman Wave. It has 17 different tools. The closed length is 4 inches 10 centimeters. It weighs 8.5 ounces, so this is definitely a large, heavy-duty multi-tool. We'll start with the inside. Contains your needle nose pliers, which, one thing I will note, I would like it if they came together just a little bit more right there. You can see a bit of gap, but I've definitely used them a lot. I don't know if you can tell, it has some chips a little bit, just because I've had this for a number of years now, but it's worn incredibly well. On the inside, you have your hard and soft wire cutters, or I guess hard and regular wire cutters, you would say. On the other side, right here, you have your large bit driver, which is where the bit extension kit would go. It contains your large flathead as well as your large Phillips, which just goes in there like so. And all of these tools lock, by the way, which is right here. Easy press locks. Oops. The other thing is your can opener and I think wire stripper right here, I believe. Yes, wire stripper. On the other side, you have your your medium-sized flathead, which I've used actually as a pry bar as well, and it's done a decent job. I wouldn't suggest doing it, but if you need to. The other screwdriver it contains is your precision screwdriver, which is a precision. If I can get it to focus a bit. is your precision Phillips, as well as your precision flathead. If I can get it to go back in. It doesn't want to work right now. There we go. Your flathead. And again, it locks into place, so you just press down that little lever and it goes back in. The last tool on the inside are your spring assisted scissors. I don't like them as much as the scissors on the Juice, but they definitely do the job. Sorry, I guess there's one more tool on the inside, which is your ruler. You can tell it contains inches and centimeters. It is an 8-inch 19-centimeter ruler. Going to the outside, we will start on this side. It contains your primary blade, which is a 2.9-inch 420 stainless steel blade. 420 HC, sorry. Easily, you can deploy all of these outside tools pretty much with one hand, with maybe the exception of this tool, which you'll see in a minute. This tool is your saw, which I would prefer if they had something to do right there. I mean, you can definitely get it out one-handed, but it's difficult. And these tools do not use the push lock down here. They use these locks right here, which you just push in and they go. Again, you push in and go. The reverse tools are your diamond coated file, as well as your wood and metal file. And the other tool is, again, 420 stainless steel. It is your serrated knife. That is all of the tools. The only other tool is, if I can get it, it's kind of hard to get out, and you kind of need something to get it out with, is right in here. This is the saw part. Actually, I'll get this out to do it. So again, inside of your saw compartment is something a lot of people don't know about, and I actually just saw a video about it the other day. If I can get it, it's kind of difficult to get out, I'm not gonna lie. Maybe I'll go back to this, see if that works better. It's a pain in the butt. There we go, finally. That is a little lanyard or keyring hole. Not something you would really expect on a multi-tool this big, which is why I think they have it hidden in there, because it comes with a sheath, so why would you need one? And it's really not a feature I would use, but it's kind of nice to know it's there, I guess. Alright, so once again, this is a review of the Leatherman Wave, which is the most popular model of the Leatherman Multitool. I hope you guys liked this review. Please feel free to comment with any questions or anything like constructive criticism, anything like that, and I hope you guys have a great day.